Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a weekly vlog. Well, it's already gone past. I've already done it basically. Yeah, I've already done it. It's gone and done. Today is the last day. I just need to do my intro to this video. So there you go. I'm going to record my week. A lot happened this week. I don't know what else to say. So let's get into the video. So I'm back with another update, and I finished Poking Around by Emily Raff, and I gave this 5 stars. It was just a fun, spicy, cute book. And it was kind of like a roller coaster. I didn't expect to cry at this book, but there's just really sweet scenes. That's the word. Yeah, just very sweet scenes, and literally after I stopped recording, I cried again because of what Caleb said in this book. But yeah, I just really liked how Rachel had separate relationships with each guy. Like usually, I'm gonna go on a rant now, usually in Reverse Errands, the girl meets the guy all at once, but in this, you have a separate, like, Emily, the author, broke it down. So you had meet Jace, the one night stand, and then you get to meet Caleb, Jace's best friend, who is the equipment manager for the Aki that they're in. And then you get to see a relationship with Amari as well. And obviously you get to see Jake and Caleb's relationship and then fall in love, which was really cute and nice to see that they finally came out of the shell and really told each other their feelings towards each other. And then of course Amari with his friendship with the guys, because he only does the spicy stuff with Rachel. So yeah, and I also just love the banter between all the characters, especially the guys. Like, yeah, and they've got so many different personalities. And in this, I don't know, it was definitely near the end, Rachel said it so well, like their different personalities. It was so well written. And yeah, I don't have a clue where it is, but it was a really good way to separate the characters. So yeah, I really enjoyed this book. And did I say I gave it 5 stars? I can't remember. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I just got some really good news as well, which I'm happy about, and maybe I'll tell you when it comes an actual thing. But yeah, I don't know what to do right now. I could read, I guess. I could read A City of Flames or Neon Gods, but I also need to start another book, but I don't know what book I want to start for my other vlog that I've got going on. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I do need to edit my other video, my February wrap-up that I mentioned earlier, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, I've got to edit that. It is currently just gone past 1:30, and I need to go and do food too. Yeah, I'm just gonna update you when I update you, because I have no idea. So today is Tuesday, the 26th of March, and I'm in town. I just went to the library and now I'm sitting in this field kind of, and it's like, yeah, it's grass. So then I've got this little tree beside me and I'm just more reading, and then I'm gonna go home to my dog because I miss him. So yeah, that's my plan right now. I'm probably gonna stay for like 20-30 minutes because it's pretty nice. It's still like, it's cold but the sun's out. So yeah, that is my plan right now, and yeah, I'm gonna do some reading. I'm gonna go now. It's kind of cold. It's like warm, but there's like wind, and I didn't get that far. I only read like 8 minutes, not even that. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Oh my god, I've lost my bookmark then. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go home, go see my dog, and I don't know what I'm gonna do after that, but I'll update you. So I thought that I should update you because it's 15 minutes past 3 and I've been back on for quite a while, and yeah, I'm editing right now. Yeah, that's all I'm pretty much doing. And Ski, hi. He's such a baby. Hey. Yeah, I'm just editing right now. And I don't think my February wrap-up is going to be up this week. I'm hoping it will, but I've been quite busy with doing other stuff. So yeah, and I don't know, I'm gonna try and get it up. But yeah, even if it doesn't go up this week, I'm gonna get up at some point, because why not? Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm editing right now. I don't know what else to say. I'll update you another time. So it is currently, it's Wednesday the 27th of March, and it's just gone past 9:30, honestly. And I've got a new obsession, this hairstyle. I love it. Anyways, I don't know why I told you that. Anyways, so today I'm gonna record a video and get that edited and hopefully get it up this week. I'm hoping Friday, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna do all of that, and then I also need to read from my other vlog, like I said yesterday or the day before. Still haven't recorded for that vlog. So yeah, that is my update right now. And yesterday I did end up editing a little bit, but then I got an headache, like I usually do when I edit. And so I did some of my Notion. Yeah, I kind of got obsessed with Notion. When I first heard about it from Destiny Sidwell. If you don't know her, where have you been? Well, if you're on BookTube anyways, you should know her. Anyways, yeah, so when she started to talk about it, I was like, oh, I want to start it, but it looked complicated. Oh my god, yeah, it looked complicated, so I messed around with it a little bit, then just stopped. And then last week, I think it was, I got obsessed with it and started to mess around with it, and I will say it definitely looks like Destiny's, because I kind of like copied, but I kind of made it my own as well at the same time. I just like the layout that she did of us, so I kind of copied it a little bit. So gave credit to Destiny Sidwell. Yeah. So I'll show it you later on, hopefully, because I'm gonna get this vlog is kind of like a weekly April reset. That I thought it'd be fun, because obviously I need to do my journal as well. Oh my god, I forgot to do my to-do list. Anyways, yeah, so I've got to do my to-do list. So I got up a little bit late today because I got up early yesterday. And yeah, well, I didn't actually go up that late actually. I woke up just before 9 o'clock. I think 8:30 I woke up actually, so it's still pretty early for me. And I need to do my to-do list. I need to record a video and edit that, so I'll mostly be doing editing more. And yeah, yesterday I ended up going on Sims. I did do some on Notion, but I ended up going on Sims because I'm kind of obsessed right now. And oh my god, I'm loving this hairstyle right now. Anyways, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go and record and get some editing done. This is what happens. I edit for like hours and I end up getting a headache because I use my computer. I end up getting sidetracked. One of the two. But yeah, I definitely do buckle down and record. And I also need to do the intro to this video. Yeah, there's a lot to do today. So let's stop standing around and let's get to it. This is literally what I do when I do recording here. I have to set up like a tripod with boxes, then put a candle on, then my phone, because obviously I use my phone. So yeah, let's go back to music. Oh, and that's like the perfect spot. Why is my dog so cute? Anyways, yeah, I'm going to switch to the back camera and then I will start recording this video. I'm excited. You can probably guess what it is, to be honest. Don't really mind. This vlog's going to go after the video anyway, so yeah. Hey, Ski. He's so cute. Little baby. Anyways, I'm going to start recording this video. Should I keep this? I have to keep my hair like this. It's pretty cute hairstyle, to be honest. I might. Anyways, I'll update you later on. So, update. It's nearly 11 o'clock. I have finished my recording and now I'm going to edit the video. And also need to do my thumbnail for said video. And then I'll do some reading, I think. I've got to read a book for my vlog. I keep on saying that, but I really need to do it. Yeah, and then I've also got to finish Neon Gods for my TikTok video that I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna go and edit my video. So it's currently gone past 4, no, 2:30, and I decided to read The Kingmaker from my other vlog that will be going up soon, probably after this though. So yeah, I don't want to repeat myself, but I got to chapter 3, and yeah, I'm gonna start reading this now. I've got to find what was that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna start reading now, and I'll probably read some more later on, and I might go on Sims now. I've done my editing that I've actually, I was gonna do my thumbnail, but I'm in no rush to do it, to be honest. So yeah, I might just go on Sims. I'm tired. And look at us. God, he's so cute. Husky. He's a tired boy. Anyways, yeah, so that is my update for right now, and I'll update you later on. That's such a bad angle. Oh my god. I look rough. Oh my god. So it's currently 10 o'clock on 28th of March, so Thursday. And I'm going to, oh my god, I'm gonna do some reading. I just picked up It Should Have Been Us by Anna B. Doe. So yeah, I'm in the middle of so many books right now. I keep on starting them and not finishing them. I literally just DNF 2 books. Like, what's going on? But yeah, and I'm also reading these books. So I'm reading Neon Gods for a TikTok video. A City of Flames, just for fun. And then The Kingmaker for my other vlog. So yeah, and then I just picked up It Should Have Been Us, like I just said, for fun as well. Just to read at night, to be honest, but I want to start it now. I gotta kind of get ready. I just literally just got into bed. Oh my god, that looks so bad. Let's put that bed up. Let's literally go into bed. I need to get ready and ready for the day. But yeah, oh my god, I need to wake up first. But yeah, I'm gonna read for a little bit, and then I need to do some editing. And from there and all that stuff, I'll update you later on. So I finished It Should Have Been Us by Anna B. something, I forgot the name. And I gave it 3 stars. It was okay. I felt like the breakup was kind of stupid. It was kind of like miscommunication. Yeah. It was just stupid. I don't understand why everyone's so angsty. They didn't do anything bad. So yeah, I need to edit now. It's nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, I've been reading all day. I just wanted to get the book done. So yeah, I'm gonna do some editing now, I think, maybe. Probably just write another book. I don't know, but I'll figure something out and I'll update you later on. So it's the next day, so Friday the 29th of March. And it's just gone past just gone past 4:30, and me and my partner, I've cleaned up the room, so I did a big clean up, so I didn't really want to record that. And yeah, and then I did some editing. I finished my video, and then also finished my thumbnail, and that's going up tonight. Ouch. And I don't know what else I want to do now. Husky. My dog's crying for my partner. Yeah, I might go on Sims again. I didn't end up going on Sims last night. I ended up finding another book to read, but then I also DNF'd that. 3 DNFs. Oh my god, I've never DNF'd so many books in my life. Well, in a month, should I say. But yeah, I'm gonna go on Sims, and today we was meant to go to Barmouth, but the weather wasn't going, so we might go tomorrow if the weather is okay. But I'm gonna wait for my partner to get back, and we're gonna take the dog out, so I might get some clips of that. I don't know where we're going yet, but yeah, I'll update you later, and if I don't do that, I'll see you tomorrow. So update, we are 50 minutes until we get there, and my partner just let the dog out to pee and that. So yeah, we are nearly there. It's kind of warm. So yeah, I'll update you when we get there, maybe. I don't know, but yeah. Husky, hi. Hi. You're so cute.
Don't go digging. This reminds me of.
What?
You know when we went to Aber and then we went to that other place?
Yeah.
We were walking on the beach.
Yeah.
But at night.
Yeah. Hey, baby. Hello, handsome man. Hi. It's 7:30. We've been back for 2 hours now. Just catching up on YouTube, and if you didn't tell by the videos, the clips that I put in, we went to Bournemouth. We were there for like 3 hours. We didn't really do much, to be honest. We just walked around the town, but it was really busy. Then we went to the beach, then got food, and then went back to the beach. I did do some reading. I started Butcher and Blackbird. I'm on chapter 2, so I didn't get that much reading done. But yeah, I got some stuff. So I got this magnet for the fridge. It's Bournemouth Beach. I got a snow globe. I do collect these. And then I also got a rock, and then I also got this. So yeah, that are the stuff that I got, and it was a good day. Like I said, I was on there for like 3 hours, and it started to rain, so yeah. And then tomorrow I'm going in the car again to this forest place, I think, this new forest place that my partner found. We might go there, or we might go to a place like we've been before, but I don't know what it's called, with Mucka. So we've got another long day tomorrow. Oh my god, and I'm so tired. I did have a nap in the car, and yeah, I'm currently watching Destiny's and Sarah's podcast, Bookmarked. I'm on episode 40, but I do need to go back and watch the other ones. But yeah, I'm just catching up on YouTube, gonna have some food, and yeah, I'm so tired. Long days like this always take it out on me. But yeah, that's my update for right now. I didn't talk in any of the clips that I took because, like I said, it was busy and it was just go, or I was doing something. So yeah, there is a lot of clips, so I might not put all of them in there. Yeah, that's my update, and I'll update you later on. Probably not. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I look rough. So we're back in the car again, and it's, oh my god, Sunday the 31st of March. It's the last day before April. And we are going to Shrewsbury, this forest place, I think, to take us ski. It's going to probably be a 2-hour walk, and then I'm going to come back, and then I need to show you my Notion and get all that set up for April, and do all my journaling. So yeah, that's my plan for today, and I'm going to edit this video, take pictures for Instagram, read a book, and obviously finish Neon Gods. Yeah, a lot to do, and I'm shattered. So that is my plan for today, and I'll update you later on. So it's Monday the 1st of April. Today is the last day for this vlog. I wanted to end it yesterday, but I was too tired to do what I wanted to do to end it. Because I want to show you my Notion and get April ready, and yeah, all that stuff. And also there's people, family members in the household, so yeah, it was quite loud to record. So yeah, what was it yesterday? I didn't really update you much yesterday. Literally we went to the forest place that I should be clips in this video now, and came back, put them clips into this video, so edited and played some Sims and catched up on YouTube. Maybe I did do an update, I can't remember. And this vlog is quite long, so I need to try and trap it down. So yeah, I need to get ready for the day. I'm gonna get ready for the day. It's nearly 11 o'clock. I did wake up around 8 o'clock and stayed in bed for like an hour. So yeah, that's my plan for today, and I'll update you later on. So I got ready, did a little bit of makeup, well, and I'm gonna show you my Notion. So if I'm looking down a lot, it's because tablet. But yeah, let's screen record this. Maybe if I put it down here. Is that better? That's so much better, isn't it? Screen record. I'm gonna show you my Notion first. The layout might not be the same as I did on the computer, because I did do it on my computer, so the layout is a little bit different. But yeah, so this is my first page. This is my welcome back page, and then need a page is all the links to other pages. Then I've got my favourite playlist. I want to change that because I don't really listen to that playlist anymore. I do, but not as much as I do with Mood Mix playlist, I think it's called. So I need to change that. Daily routine. So that is my daily routine, even though I don't really follow it. And then start of month, end of month. So this is to remind me what I need to do at the start of the month and what I need to do at the end of the month, because there's so many things that I've got to do. that I'm new to doing as well, like journaling, for example, like my monthly start and monthly end. So yeah, and then I don't want to show you my 2024 goals, so let's get past that. And then we've got my YouTube, so these are all the videos that I've uploaded. And then we've got my monthly, wait, what is this? Yeah, so these are ideas that I've got for that month. I can show you this because I've already done it. And then we've got monthly uploads, so videos that I've uploaded that month. So these are all my video ideas. I don't want to show you that because, yeah. And then we've got my Instagram. So we've got Instagram tracker, Instagram post ideas. And then same with TikTok. We've got TikTok post, TikTok ideas. And then we got my habit tracker. I'm still doing this, so I'm gonna start in April because I like to start in a fresh month. So yeah, I'm still doing this, as you can tell. So yeah, I'll be following my workout YouTube if I've uploaded or not, Bookster if I upload or not, and TikTok as well. And then we've got all things books. This is the one that I'm really excited about. This is the one that I spent so much time on. So I've got reading goals. Why does that come up there? Anyways, my reading goal is 142. So I've read 55 books, 56 now I think. Reading goals. So reading 142 books. Read 30% of my physical TBR. Read a drama out of my comfort zone, so thriller and mystery. Only buy 5 books at the most a month. And go to an author signing. Finish off my series I'm in the middle of. And then these are all my 24 books for 2024. And then spring TBR. I don't know if I'm going to keep to this, but yeah, whatever. And then we've got 2024 reads. I'm still doing this. So this is not updated at all. I don't think it is. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, these are all the books that I've read this, yeah. And then we've got monthly reads, so what I read. So it's just what I read, and then I've got to do the review, and then all of this. And then I've got monthly to be read, so just my TBR for that month. And then my favourites, so I've got to do this as well. Oh, what? Okay. Yeah, I've still got to do this. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Like I said, I'm still figuring it all out. And then we've got physical TBR tracker. So yeah, I'm still doing this as well because this is all my physical. Actually, it's not all my physical TBR. I'm still putting books in. Yeah, and then books bought in 2024. So yeah. And then my series tracker. Oh yeah. So I've got my series on my radar. So series that I would like to get to this year. Series on my showers that I'm in the middle of. So to do, in progress, and complete. So the complete is the next book isn't out yet. And then I've also got, oh god, a Kindle one. And then also got goals. So complete 5 series and get halfway through 5 series. So I've just got same with Kindle as well. So yeah, they're all my, that's all my Notion right there. I'm gonna speed this up on it and put some music over the top. that's what I do for my Notion. Probably more, but like I said, this is my first month actually doing this. So yeah, that's for my Notion. And this is my planner. Wait, I need to record. So this is my planner. So if I go, I'll show you. Okay, it looks like I didn't do it, but I do want to. So basically this is my March vision board, and then at the end of the month I want to do another vision board, but what happened in that month. So I might just do that right now. So that is my March monthly vision board, and then let's do my March monthly vision board, but the end of the month, so what happened in that month. So I need to I'm gonna go and get all the pictures. Okay, that took quite a long time. So this is my motherboard for March. So this is all the stuff that happened. So we went to a car meet, we went to the beach, we went to what's the mountain that I was talking about. Then we also went to the forest yesterday. That will be in this vlog. So yeah, I love this. We did quite a lot in March. Wow. Okay. And then we're gonna do April motherboard. So what I would like this month to look like. And we're gonna go to Pinterest. I'm just gonna put concert aesthetic. I kind of like this one, so I'm just gonna save that. Obviously we're gonna be doing reading, because we're always doing reading. Maybe some reading outside as it's getting warmer, but then it is April, and April in the UK is just all over the place. Isn't this? Yeah, I like that. I want to manifest that without the coffee, of course. Yeah, that's all I've got for right now for my motherboard monthly vision board, but I might add stuff now and then. Yeah, so this is where I do my YouTube ideas, or I might actually show you past ones, actually, just to give you an idea of what it's like. So what should I show you? I didn't do it in February, so my first one was in March. Okay, I can show you this one. So this is what I do on this page. So I just do when I record it and when I upload it. and then these are the ideas that I've got for that month. And then month's focus obviously is uploading YouTube. It's always that. And then obviously monthly priority to do this is, yeah, so this is what's for March. I might not do this straight away, like I might not do all of this right now. I might do some now and then I might come back in like 2 weeks time and then add more to it. It usually depends what I'm in the mood for. If I'm like reading 200 pages a day, I can choose any book for that video, right? But if I say it like I did for reading books that you guys chose, so the Instagram video, that was specifically what you chose, so I have to be in the mood for them videos. So yeah, it usually depends on what I'm in the mood for, if I'm gonna do that video or not. So I think it was last month or in February I had planned to do 24 hours. I wasn't in the mental headspace to do that, and also I just, yeah, it just didn't work out. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to this now and let's do this. So update, I did my YouTube ID page. I didn't do all of it because I don't know what this month is going to bring. I don't know if I'm going to be busy or what, and what I'm going to be in the mood for with reading. But right now I'm doing my to-do list, so I'm not going to record it, but this is what I do. I sometimes do it like this way. So sometimes I do it in the morning when I wake up and I got the plan, my day set out. Or like today when I don't know what I'm going to be doing, then I'll do it now and then, like as I go throughout the day. Or I do at night and I write it all down at once. So right now I've got, like I said, wake up 8 o'clock, and then I did Notion, journal and reading weekly and recording weekly video, done that. And I've also done that again up to 12 o'clock, and then I'll do edit weekly vlog for up to 2 o'clock. That's up. And I'm just doing today's priorities and to-do lists. And then I also need to clean my room as well. So I've got wake up, make bed, clean room. So that's all I've got to do. Oh my god. So I'm going to edit my video now because I need that done. And if I can get my thumbnail done, edit it, and that can go up today. Well, this can go up today, which is exciting. I also need to do record the start of the video, so I might do that right now actually while it's all set up. So I'll see you later on when I'm done for today. So it's currently Wednesday the 3rd of April, nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the video didn't go up when it was meant to go up, so hopefully it goes up tonight. So I need to end this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and comment down below of any videos you would like to see from me, and also what you're currently reading right now. Why not? So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.